Good morning, 12th students. Chemistry part 2, chapter number 12, aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. Our next part is part 4. Up to here, I yesterday taught you, we did preparation of ketones yesterday. Now our next topic is 12.3 physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. The physical properties of aldehyde and ketones as described as above. See, what is the physical property? You are knowing physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Okay. So first compound methanol, it is in gaseous state. Ethanol is in liquid but volatile. Then other aldehyde and ketones are liquid or maybe solid at room temperature. Okay. Now these were the state. Now boiling point. Higher than hydrocarbons. Okay. So if I am comparing C2H6 and C2H5, C2H5 aldehyde if I am adding, and here you are using C3H8, same number of carbon atoms 2 and 1. So you can see higher than hydrocarbons. Okay, higher than hydrocarbons, it is more than this hydrocarbon, and others ethers of comparable molecular masses. Okay, so boiling point of any aldehyde is higher than of any other of comparable molecular masses of hydrocarbons. Okay, now why they are having high boiling point? Due to weak molecular association in aldehyde and ketones arising out of dipole-dipole interactions. Boiling point are lower than those of alcohols of similar molecular, higher than hydrocarbons and ketones, but lower than that of alcohols of similar molecule similar molecular masses, due to absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so due to this hydrogen bonding, they are having less BP than alcohols. Okay, remember nicely. Now lower member of aldehydes are miscible. First I taught you state, second boiling point, third one is miscible. For liquid always we are using the word miscible or immiscible. See, for solids and solids we are using soluble. See, if I am adding salt into water, I will use the word soluble and insoluble. Sand in water. But if I am using liquid to liquid, we will say are miscible with water in all properties. Miscible means soluble and immiscible means insoluble, because they formed hydrogen bond with water. Solubility decreases rapidly on increasing the length of the alkyl chain. All are fairly soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, methanol, chloroform, etc. Aldehyde and ketones are soluble in organic solvents. The lower aldehydes have, now fourth one. First I taught you state, second boiling point, third one solubility, fourth one is having odors. The lower aldehydes have sharp pungent odor. When you will come in lab, you will do the organic chemistry practicals. At that time you have to smell out these aldehydes and ketones. At that time you will observe that they are having sharp pungent odor. As size increases, the odor has less pungent and more fragrance. Why? Because, and for this property they are used in blending of perfumes and flavoring agents. Okay. Now see, this is the table for boiling point, comparative to molecular mass, N-butane, methoxy, propanol, acetone, so all aldehyde and ketones. Now why? The lower member of aldehydes and ketones such as methanol, ethanol and propanone are miscible with water in all proportions because they form hydrogen bond with water. See, this is RR, these are ketone. This one is hydrogen bonding, HHO, H2O, OH, hydrogen bonding, OH hydrogen bonding with any this. Okay, so I showed you. Now I am solving one problem, that is example 12.2, that is arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of their boiling point. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This aldehyde. Okay, see count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is 4. So it is called butanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon you count 1, 2, 3, 4. And OH means this is alcohol, butanol. Okay. Now this one is 2 and 2. This is ethoxy ether. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Common hydrocarbon. Okay. So you have to arrange it. See, first the arrangement is like that. It will come simple hydrocarbon, then ether. I taught you, no? Okay, ether and hydrocarbons. See, aldehyde having more boiling point than ether and hydrocarbon and less. So the order is simple hydrocarbon, then ether, then aldehyde group, and then alcohol. Okay. The molecular masses of these compounds are in the range of 72 to 74. Their molecular masses, all of them are in the same range. Since only butanol of molecular are associated due to extensive intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Butanol means alcohol. This hydrogen bonding, due to hydrogen bonding, therefore the boiling point of butanol would be the highest. So you have to keep the alcohol at last. After alcohol, aldehyde, then ether, and then simple hydrocarbon. Butanol is more polar than the ethoxyethane. It is, we have to say the answer. This is for hydrogen bonding, and this is for polarity. Therefore, the intermolecular dipole-dipole moment is stronger here. So it is having, aldehyde is having more boiling point than ether. Therefore, the intermolecular dipole-dipole interaction is stronger in the former. And pentane molecule have only weak van der Waals forces. Hence, increasing order of boiling point of the given compound is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4. C2. So you have to do this index question 12.3 same, but you have to give the reason. Since aldehyde and ketones both possesses the carbonyl functional group, they undergo similar chemical reactions. So tomorrow in the next lecture I will teach you chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketones.